calculate the electrostatic force and the gravitational force. So they have asked two forces, is it not? The electrostatic force, let us represent this as Fe. What about gravitational force? Let us call it Fg. So we have to find out both these forces between the proton and the electron. So proton and the electron. In a hydrogen atom, they are separated by a distance. So this is the given parameter, the distance. The distance is indicated by the symbol R, is it not? The magnitude of charges on the electron. So this is the charge of electron and a proton. So for electron it is minus, for proton it is plus, but the charge remains same, but they are opposite in charges. So 1.6 into 10 power minus 19. How to represent the charge? We represent this by E. Mass of electron is 9.1 into 10 power minus 31 kg. So let us represent this as ME, mass of electron. And mass of proton, so that is given as 1.6 into 10 power minus 27 kg. So this is MP. Now what they have asked, find out the ratio between these two forces. That is, they are asked Fe by Fg also. So there are three questions here. One is, what is F1? That is first question. This is first question. What is Fg? Second question. And what is the ratio? This is third question. So we have to solve all those things. Now the concept is from electrostatics. Just by seeing electron and proton, we cannot come to a conclusion that this is from atomic physics or nuclear physics. No. This topic is from electrostatics. Okay. Now let us proceed with the problem. So let us note down the given values. What are given? R is given 5.3 into 10 power minus 11 meter. You must always indicate what these symbols represent. R is the distance between proton and electron. So this is a hydrogen atom. We have got the nucleus, that is, here we have got proton and electron here. So the distance between them is R. Next, the charge of electron, that is represented by E. That is given as 1.6 into 10 power minus 19 coulomb. Okay. This is only a magnitude, so this represents both proton and electron. Magnitude means we consider only the absolute value, the modulus of this one. For instance, charge of proton is positive, 1.6 into 10 power minus 19. Whereas charge of electron is minus 1.6 into 10 power minus 19. Since we take only the magnitude, I have taken simply E. Then what are the other values given? The mass of proton is given here. Okay, mass of proton m, mass of electron 1.6 into 10 power minus 31 kg. Mass of proton 1.6 into, this is 9.1, sorry, mass of electron is 9.1, mass of proton is 1.6 into 10 power minus 27 kg. Got it? Right, so these are all the values given. Okay, now with this we have to find out the electrostatic force. Now what are the concepts here? The concepts here is Coulomb's inverse square law. Inverse square law. Second concept is to find out the gravitational force, we had to apply Newton's gravitation law. Newton's universal law of gravitation, or Newton's gravitation law. Okay, so for which we should know the equations. Let us do this simultaneously. On the left hand side, let us find out Newton's, that is force due to electrostatic interaction, Fe. Fe is equal to, it is given by K into E squared divided by R. This is the electrostatic force of attraction. And according to Newton's law of gravitation, the formula is force of interaction is equal to, between two masses, gravitational constant into mass of electron into mass of proton divided by the square of the distance between them. So here Ke squared divided by R squared. So here we consider the charges as far as electrostatic force is concerned. But if it is gravitational force, we consider the masses. So that makes the difference. Okay. Now let us proceed. And you should know the value of K. The value of K is 9 into 10 power 9, okay, into the charge. What is the charge? 1.6 into 10 power minus 19 Coulomb whole square, because E square, divided by R. R is 5.3 into 10 power minus 11 whole square. Okay, right. Now what you are supposed to do is isolate all the powers separately. So you have 9 into 1.6 square, correct, into, you have here 10 power 9, and here a power m whole power n is equal to a power mn. So into 10 power minus 38, got it, divided by 5.3 square, okay, into 10 power minus 11 into 2. 11 whole square means 10 power minus 11, a power m whole power m, n, a power mn. So 11 into 2, 22. Okay. So that is equal to, now let us work out, this is 9 into 16 squared means 256. So 2.56 divided by 5.3 squared. So 5.3 squared into, now you have 9 and this is minus 38, is it not? So you have 9 and here minus 38, and when this 10 power minus 22 goes up, plus 22, so you can add 22. Okay, how much? 31 and minus 38, am I right? So minus 7, so the value is minus 7, is it not? So you should get 10 power minus 7. Okay, so when you work out, you can get the value as 8.2 into 10 power minus 8, and this is being force, you should be given in force, I mean Newton, so this much Newton, and force E, force of electron is this much, 8.2 into 10 power minus 8 Newton. Got it? Similarly, Fg can be calculated. The universal constant, gravitational constant, is 6.67 into 10 power minus 11. This is the constant. Into, you got the mass of proton, electron, 9.1 into 10 power minus 31 into, and you have the mass of proton, 1.6 into 10 power minus 27, whole divided by 5.3 into 10 power minus 11, because r square. Okay, that is a given value. So we have got this value, 5.3 into 10 power minus 11. So 10 power minus 11 whole square. Now we will arrive at 6.67, take only numbers, 9.1 into 1.6, 1.6 divided by 1.6 squared, it's not squared, we are just multiplied, and this is 5.3 squared. Now let us work out the 10th power separately. You have 10 power minus 11 into 10 power minus 31 into 10 power minus 27. Okay, whole divided by 10 power minus 22. Okay, so now let us work out the power only. 10 power minus 11 minus 31 minus 27. Let us add 7 plus 1 8 plus 1 9, then 3 plus 2 5 plus 1 6, minus 69, and this becomes plus 22. So 9 minus 2, how much? 7. 6 minus 2, 4, so minus 47. Okay, so we should get the value in terms of minus 47. So we will have 6.67 into 9.1 into 1.6 whole divided by this 5.3 squared into the net value of the power is 10 power minus 47. Okay, and the final answer is, when you work out all these things, 3.4 into, you have got already 10 power minus 47 Newton. So this is the Fg value. So Fg value is this much. So this is the first answer, and this is the second answer. Now we need the third answer. What is this Fe, electrostatic force between proton and electron, is equal to 8.2 into 10 power minus 8 Newton. What about this one? This is gravitational force between electron and proton. of hydrogen atom is equal to 3.4 into 10 power minus 47. Are you will follow? Now let us find out the ratio between these two. Okay, so that is the third question asked here. So let us work out third question, that is Fe divided by Fg is equal to 8.2 into 10 power minus 8 divided by 3.4 into 10 power minus 47. This is Newton, this is also Newton, cancel. So 8.2 divided by 3.4 into, you have 10 power minus 8 into 10 power plus 47, because when it goes up to the numerator it becomes plus. Therefore 8.2 divided by 3.4 into 10 power how much? 39. Just imagine, it is 8.2 divided by 2.3 is 2.41. So 2.41 into 10 power 39. So the ratio between the electrostatic force and the gravitational force is how much? 2.41 into 10 power 39. What do you understand from this? See, the force, electrostatic force of attraction between the two charges here, electron and proton, is almost 2.41 into 10 power 39 times of gravitational force. Now tell me, which is very powerful, much bigger? Fe is much bigger than Fg. Do you understand this concept? So we talk about the gravitational force, but you just imagine the electrons and protons are very microscopic, but the force of attraction between these two is such a way, almost 2.41 into 10 power 39 times of gravitational force. That's huge one, is it not? And that is why the electrostatic force is more powerful than the gravitational force. Is it clear now? Now let me discuss the important turning points in this problem. So first of all, we have taken the given aspects. What are those? So first one is given, or the distance between proton and electron is over, and the electron charge, proton charge, etc., mass, all these things. And what are the concepts involved? Coulomb's inverse square law, because it is asked as electrostatic attraction force, electrostatic force. So we have to apply Coulomb's inverse square law. And Newton's gravitation law, this is another concept, another lesson actually. This is from gravitation of your +1 topic, but they have linked these two. Okay, and that is why we applied universal law of gravitation here. And now we are taken Fe here and worked out, and Fg we have worked out, and we found that Fe is equal to 8.2 into 10 power minus 8 Newton, whereas Fg is equal to 3.4 into 10 power minus 47. So which is the least force, whether Fe or Fg? Just by looking at this figure, 10 power minus 47 means what? You have to put 47 zeros in front, much minute, whereas here 10 power minus 8 only. Okay, so from this, and that is why we were asked to find out the ratio between these two. So finally we arrived at the ratio between this, that is answer 3, and this is answer 2, and this is answer 1. Got it? Now the problem here arises is how to calculate this by logarithmic tables. We will work out that one also. Okay, bring the logarithm table. So So we will take this as a separate one. Okay.